Oh, fucking twat! There's a crossing right there! What's the matter with you? Use the fucking crossing, you moron! You fucking idiot! Fucking twat!
Are going, can I have your booster seat? First thing. Whoa, 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 reverse!
Oh god, oh god! Oh shit, shit. Oh god, shit, shit, what are you doing?
Holy fuck.
What are you doing? Oh god, shit, it's me.
Yeah, I bet you did. Yeah, I fucking bet you did. What? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's not a real car. It's a piece of shit. Typical Kia driver. Typical Hyundai drivers. Same fucking car. Hyundai is Kia, dumbass.
Thank you. Boy, did you not see me? Fuck. Fuck. My tags are expired.
He's intelligent, worldly, he spoke all these different languages. But everything was a lie.
Lock on the doors to go into practice so nobody could go in there. So he was Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. And he showed a little bit in the public, but when he went behind the scenes,
What the fuck are you doing?
The question the fans should ask is, imagine what they're going to do behind closed doors when no one's watching.
fuck? What is this mob doing?
Just came out was weird to me, and I was just wondering if this would be a safe learning environment for her.
Who's this guy?
Maybe right, you can go.
No, you can't. It's so
Person there is not there. Oh!
What the fuck, dog? No, fuck it, fuck it, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. No, dude.
उसने भगाए कि इसने भगाए? इसने ये जा रहे थे और उसने एकदम से लेफ्ट, उसको लगा कि टच हो जाएगा, बट अभी पीछे रखो था पीछे।
Oh dear. But looky.